this video, I am going to demonstrate how to repair a medial meniscus root with a specialized root fix anchor. In the coronal and the axial films, one can clearly see the discontinuity in the root of the medial meniscus. This is the special all suture anchor developed by Osteocare with a tail suture to pull the anchor down into the tibial tunnel and two 0 number fiber wires loaded for the root repair. On diagnostic probing, one can see there is a complete radial tear of the root which classifies as type 2. The first step in a root repair is a preparation of a vascularized bed by removing the cartilage where the probable root tunnel will come out. This is a specialized universal root repair jig from Osteocare, which is a very low profile and narrow jig so that it reaches the spot of probable tunnel easily. Along with the anchor, there is a kit which consists of a specialized drill bit, a nitinol wire and a passing sleeve for the nitinol wire which can be used in the root repair. Once the drill comes out intra-articularly, keeping the bullet in position, the drill bit is replaced by the passing sleeve and the nitinol wire is passed through it and retrieved to the anteromedial portal. The nitinol wire is used to shuttle the tail sutures through the drill hole, and while passing it down, one has to be careful to avoid pulling out the anchor out of the tibial tunnel distally on the tibia. So the length has to be kept such that the anchor just goes inside the tunnel, and once it's inside, the 0 number fiber wires are slid alternatively to deploy the anchor in its place. Once the anchor is deployed, a nice tug is given on the anchor to check its security before proceeding ahead with the root repair. Another portal is created to park the sutures to keep them away from the line of an antegrade suture passing device which will be used to take individual bites in the meniscal tissue. My preferred choice of repair configuration is one mattress bite and one simple bite if the quality of tissue and the tear pattern permits. So here with the tiger threads we will be taking a mattress bite, and with the white thread we will be taking a simple suture bite and later on tying them with sliding knots so as to complete a secure repair. It is important to retrieve back and forth each suture before taking it into the antegrade suture passing device to avoid entanglement amongst them, and in case there is an entanglement, it has to be removed before proceeding with the knot tying. The simple stitch is taken beyond the horizontal mattress stitch to create a modified Mason Allen stitch as we take it in a cuff repair. The simple stitch is again parked out to proceed with knot tying with the mattress bite first and later on the simple suture so as to compress it further onto the footprint. My choice of knot is a sliding SMC knot with 3 alternate half hitches. The simple suture helps in bringing down the everted inner margin of the meniscus towards the bone so as to have a bigger footprint contact and coverage for better healing of the root. Thank you for watching the video.